As I mentioned in the previous movie, Origami is a freemium theme. By freemium, I mean it's a free theme that you can upgrade for a few dollars to a premium theme with more functionality. For this reason, you'll see that Origami has some free customization options and that some of the customization options are activated once you upgrade. But before we look at the custom options, let's look at what options are available from the WordPress customization options. To get to the WordPress customizer, we go to the toolbar and select Customize. And from here, you can customize some basic features in the theme. You can change the site title and tagline. You can change the color of the background, but if you want to do that, I'll select the color here, so I'll set the background color to red. You notice that the background isn't actually turning red. That's because the background currently has a tiled image. So to get my custom background color to work, I have to go into background image, click on the image, and click remove image, and then you can see the custom background color. You can also set navigation if you've created a custom menu. If you don't have a custom menu built in WordPress admin, you won't have this option. But I built a custom menu, so therefore I can pick a menu. By default, you see a menu that contains the home button plus a list of all your pages. But since I don't have any pages, I don't have any menu items. Instead, I created a menu that displays links to the different categories. So here you have the home link plus the 2 categories. Finally, you can set whether or not the front page should display the blog or a static page. Once you made changes, you can either save and publish those changes, or you can click cancel if you don't like what you're seeing. But there's one more option that wasn't available in the theme customizer, and that was the header image. Now you may remember we added a header image in 2012. So why can't we change to that header image in Origami? The reason is that WordPress 3.5 now remembers all your theme's settings. So although we added a header image to 2012, we have yet to add a header image to Origami. I need to add a header image to it to be able to customize it. So I'll go to the WordPress toolbar, select header, or you can go to the back end and select appearance and header. And since I've already uploaded the image, I'm going to click choose image so I can pick from my media library. And then I'll select the image and click set as header. And here I get the image cropper. Now this is really important. For whatever reason, Origami doesn't auto crop this image. And if you click crop and publish while the image is grayed out like this, you'll get a bunch of errors. So take your mouse and click somewhere inside the image and just drag to open the cropper and select whatever part of the image you want to use, and then click crop and publish. Now the header image is applied, and if I go back to the front page, you'll see we now have a header image. And you'll notice that in Origami, the title was replaced by the header image, so we don't have to turn the title off like we had to do in 2012. Now let's take a quick look at the customization features that are built into Origami specifically. I'll go back to admin, go to appearance, and select theme settings. From here, I can make some customizations, and if I upgrade, I can also make additional ones. I can change my link color to a different color, and if I had the premium version, I could also change page border colors and footer copyright color and footer copyright link color. I can change the site text. This is the copyright message and the message on the error page or no search results pages. Under display, I can decide whether I want to display things like the post author or comment count. And I can also enable or disable the header search. If you look on the front page, you'll see we have a search box here. So you can disable it or enable it. And you can put in a footer attribution link if you have the premium version. Under comments, you can activate Ajax comments, but this is only available in the premium version, and the same goes for the responsive layout. Finally, you have an option for adding social links, and again, this is only available in the premium version, or you can add a plugin like Share This that will do the same thing. So I'm sure you're wondering, how do I upgrade to the premium version? Well, all you have to do is either click on the link here or go to Premium Upgrade, which is available under Appearance. And from here, you can download the premium version for the cost of currently $5. Even with the limited customization options in the free version of the Origami theme, you have a lot of room to make the theme suit your individual style. And if you want more customization options, an upgrade is only a few dollars away.